Good morning everyone. Welcome to Study Light, making your study lighter and easier. Today we are going to do back exercise of lesson number 4 class 4th our constitution. So let's start. First of all we will do oral questions. Question number 1. When is Republic Day celebrated? And the answer is Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Question number 2. What do you understand by right to equality? And the answer is right to equality means social and economic equality amongst the people. Now we will do tick the correct answers. First, India became a free country on dash. And the options are A. 15th August 1947, B. 26th January 1950 and C. 2nd October 1947. And the correct answer is 15th August 1947. Next, second, dash and dash are the protectors of our fundamental rights. And the options are A. High Court, B. Supreme Court or C. Both A and B. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Third, dash are the guidelines for the government. And the options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Fundamental duties or C. Directive principles. And the correct answer is C. Directive principles. Now multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answers. First, which of the following describes India the best? A. Democracy, B. Sovereign, C. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular and Democratic Republic. And the correct answer is of course C. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular and Democratic Republic. Second MCQ. Who can cast vote during the elections? A. An Indian citizen who is 18 years of age or above. B. Any citizen of India. C. Both A and B. And the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Now next exercise, identify the names of the following pictures. First picture is taking care of public property. We must look after the public property. And second, people planting trees means we must take care of the environment. Next exercise, match the following. First, directive principle will match with compulsory education for children. Second, republic, head of the state is elected. Third, socialist will match with social and economic equality. Fourth, sovereign will match with independent. Fifth, fundamental duty, it will match with maintain unity of the nation. Now D exercise, write short answers. Question number 1. What is a constitution? And the answer is the constitution is a set of rules according to which a country is governed. Question number 2. What is a preamble? And the answer is the preamble is the introduction of our constitution. It tells us about the main ideas and aims of our constitution. Now question number 3. List our fundamental rights. And the answer is fundamental rights. A. Right to equality. B. Right to constitutional remedies. C. Right against exploitation. D. Right to freedom. E. Cultural and educational rights. F. Right to freedom of religion. Fourth question, list any 5 fundamental duties. And the answer is fundamental duties. A. We must follow the ideas given in the Constitution. B. We must respect the national anthem and the national flag. C. We must work to maintain the unity of the nation. D. We must be united as Indians. E. We must take care of the environment. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1. What do you understand by a sovereign country? And the answer is sovereign means independent. A sovereign country is not ruled by the government of another country. The people elect their own government. This elected government makes laws to run the country. Question number 2. What does a socialist and secular country mean? And the answer is, in a socialist country, there is social and economic equality amongst the people, and secular country means that people are free to preach, propagate, and practice any religion of their choice. Question number 3. Explain the meaning of a democratic republic. And the answer is, in a democratic republic, people elect their representatives. These representatives form the government. Every citizen above 18 years can vote. It is a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Question number 4. Explain the following terms. A. Republic. B. Monarchy. Answer number 4 is A. A republic means where the head of the state is elected by the people. There is no king or queen in a republic. B. A monarchy means that the country is ruled by a king or a queen. Question number 5. What are directive principles? List any 4. And the answer is, directive principles are the guidelines mentioned in our constitution for the government to follow. The government has to see that A. There is no exploitation of the poor. B. Free and compulsory education is provided to children up to 14 years of age. C. Citizens should get proper living conditions. D. The government should uplift the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and backward classes and protect their interests. Now, higher order thinking skills. Hot question. Ria is not being allowed to practice the religion she believes in. Which fundamental right is she being denied? Who can help Ria in this situation? Answer of this question is, Ria is being denied the right to freedom of religion. The High Court and the Supreme Court can help her in this matter. Here we have completed the back exercise of this chapter. In next video, we will do next chapter of the same book. Till then, take care and thanks for watching my video.